message, you know. And we are going to start off with a song from Jojo Addison. Your friend, no, Guy Man. Yentie Guy Man. I am for Jojo Addison and share Ejumadi Ase.
No trouble, you go know the carry man fly. If trouble they sleep, you for shine your eye. Make you no envy another man's high. You for what your maze and not finish your race. Today, farm away. Waiting there, she pay. Today, farm away. Waiting there, she pay. She pere, 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 Ashika, Ashika, she pere, Ashika, 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 she pere. Farm away, waiting there, she pere. Guy man no figure, guy man. With great pride comes a great fall. If man no stay a crab by plan, best you man now. Baby concentrate, sometimes celebrate. Life go irritate, moko sanile moko ye. Sometimes celebrate.
All right. Jojo Addison, welcome to the studios, friend.
Thanks so much.
At the time.
Bibi aboko nyamia do na
so. Na den time na office school by.
But just say
den time na office school by.
Den time free school by.
Yeah, den time na office school by.
Oh, say me school nti me ba school me ba fie sem be yedwuma.
Last week, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Now, then we see here was school.
I'm in electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering. For how many years?
4 years, please.
4 years.
Yes, please.
Now, I don't know. I just want to get into your head. At the end now, person will hear music.
Well, I started doing music. I've always loved music right from me being a child. My whole childhood now, I've been a musician my whole life.
I don't want to do more sorry now.
To my tune more sorry pain. My cousin my tune more sorry pain, but me tune more sorry. My tune more sorry pain. I know I'm one of my far like I had the love for it and the passion for it.
All right, but I believe, sir, you would have had some people motivate you into getting into music.
Yeah. Like asking like people that inspire me and motivate me. Me, Ambule, shouts to Ambule, Fela Kuti, me papa me Kwesi P, me tieni pain. So it's just the music now. A lot of people, you know. Sarkodie, you have Stoneboy, you have Shatawale, and besides more people now, Charlie.
All right, now Guy Man, no fit guy man. It gives me the impression. Say, okay, be Asempa and what story, about the song that you just sang.
Yeah, basically what I was trying to say is, Guy Man, no fit guy man. If you actually believe in yourself and you believe in what you do and you believe that what you do can take you wherever you want to go. If you believe in your dreams, then I don't think anybody should be able to shake. I don't think I'm trying to say so believe you say idea like craft or your dreams. Opese that you opese say. I don't think say will be a shake you kakra but say won't to me now wait to me you for believe and have a stunt and go on to do it.
Now we share music terrain no more. Do you think that you can survive?
Yes.
I think there name our confidence necessary to me competing with the likes of the great stars King Promise. For me, we start as a King Promise kaka even your looks and everything. How are you going to compete with them?
I won't say I'm going to compete with them. I'll just say I'll focus on myself and make sure that I come out with the best, like be the best version of myself. Because it's more or less me being myself, telling my story, my own experiences. I'm not trying to compete with anybody or anything like that. I mean, with God, to me I sure say he being the strength no be big kwama me na. So I mean I have God, so I don't think there's anything to fear.
All right, what you want, Papa? Said that question with me, should I be sour? I just wanted to see the angle out.
Well, that's it.
Now, when any person here, any collabo, any known figure here collabo, be ana?
Not yet, but it's in the works. It's in the works.
Who is going to be your first collabo?
I haven't sat down to like think about it yet, but currently there I'm just working like studio, me co-studio, me record, they try and meet up with people, me call concerts, yeah, network on me home, just to have that relationship with them.
Now, what performing that? What performing war?
Yeah.
Public events
I
that.
have.
Events been no.
Last year December, me performing war Crusade 3, La Même Gang Crusade 3, me performing war Coachella.
All right.
And so Live Wire, that was like last year. No, that was like this year. Live Wire was like last 2 months. Me performing with Live Wire. Tenny was the headline. So I performed there. I performed at a couple of places.
Right. Now, Yes, I'm Master.
Yeah, Yes,
it's one of your songs I would have out.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes, I'm Master, know the sport work. Plenty talk, you know the right check. Yeah, I'm fuckers, I got $5. Before putting the work and make it confess. Now you many Mokokono. What just trying, what cause if the money talk, it makes sense. One time what she got, I was shared on. Money where the quantifier. Cock the Benz for my mama. Money where the quantifier. Cock the Benz for my mama. Of killing all my nightmares. I probably really know the fight fair. That old bomb pass to train, yeah. Hope you they believe that the night ends. When that's why you go buy pants.
Kwesi say he go cop jets. Your son say he go shine when the night ends. From the Nantukan to the money where the quantifier. Cop the benzo for my mama. Yeah. Tree shitoji kunyeli. Money where the quantifier. Cop the benzo for my mama. Yeah. Chishitoji kunyeli. Yeah. Chishitoji kunyeli. Yeah. Chishitoji kunyeli. Yeah. Chishitoji kunyeli.
All right, new way. So, Yes, I'm Master.
Yes, please.
Let's get into the song. Tell me about the song.
Yes, I'm Master. Yes, I'm Master. Na me more social media, more feed and meeting. And then I was listening to songs with my friend of Asante. Me Asante Tienum na. Yeah, payday. Omar telling you casino freestyle by no. And then when I'm listening to him, I mean, shouts to Omar Sterling, Charlie, one of the best my president, you know. when you're listening to him, he speaks a lot of sense.
All right.
Yeah, I get inspired by him. So what can we be? Yes, I must. I know this sport work. And then the next thing that came inside my head was plenty talk, you know, the right check. So that's those two lines, and I'm a tennis. And I'm a tennis, and I was no, Charlie. So I just got inspired by listening to him, and I'm a day developing. I'm a trust. All
right. Well, you're listening to Jojo Addison, musical yearboard background. Yes, I'm Master. And pretty shortly, in fact, Kwesi P was studio ha. Yes, or no, they are trick up a peppy. Aye, Kwesi P, or you're champion too. Now, and then you didn't come out. Aye, but Jojo Addison.
Yes, please.
Before you take leave of us, I said, now, person they told ya, and ebia. Ewo dawa kuma so opese wo kan ansa na obefi station ha.
Me I'll say I've always been an advocate for, you know, chasing your dreams, because I feel like we live in a society where the resources are very limited. If you want to me what you want to do, you might not have the help to do it. Do you understand? And to me, I feel say just like you were saying, say engineering, other than perseverance, there are so many people out there that want to like pursue music or something creative, but because of resources, so I just say Charlie, the storm there is really strong, but you're stronger than it. So Charlie,
I like that.
Yeah,
I like
so
that.
just stay on your grounds and then Charlie, pursue your dreams.
I like that.
Yeah.
And then so about TV, so Joy Prime.
Patchine.
And then times are from 3:30 to 4:30.
Yes,
I think
please.
so.
Yeah.
And more person more share Jojo Addison, so more better no TV so.
Yes,
and
please. Yeah.
I was started. I feel the wabe fee.
Patchine.
We started you.
No, Mister.
Until we electrical design engineer and the best about.
There be a man that's your own everything.
That's it. All right, Jojo, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time too.
All right,
thank
all
you
right.
so much.
God
bless you.
You heard Jojo Addison. From now on, it's Merton and Kansas there. Wabafi also be Yejuma Nankasa. I don't know what mom thinks about this idea. Madam, Mame, is she cool with you pursuing music 100%?
Yeah.
She's okay with you?
Yeah, she
Oma
is.
backing, no?
Oma me backing, full backing. Serious defender. Ojinem Pintin. Yeah.
Auntie B.
Auntie B. Just Auntie B.
All right, thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
All right.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM 94.7.
Yeah, fuckers are for dollars. Before putting the work and make it confess. Now you many more cocono. What just showing what we're. Cause if the money talking makes sense. One time she got I was shared on. Money where the 25.
Asempa FM.
For my mama.
All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. Kwesi P in the studios. Ready. Yes. Kwesi P, me friend than Mr. No Nonsense Man. Oh no, oh chingwas I'm on for. And you go crowd, we are going to have a discussion about himself, his music, career, industry. Very interesting. And so, and keep sharing Moon Chiche way or Facebook and so. If you're on Facebook, you want to see Kwesi P. Yeah, the Millennium Rich Man. He's right here in the studios. All right, let's just drop a song from Kwesi P just to set the pace and let people know why Namuavati and Osisia was Asempa 94.7 FM. Take time and listen to this beautiful track, Kwesi P.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
I won't be a dedicated baby and a zombie, you know. Anything I may say, baby, I may do dear, my parents. Me a dog for you, I bet on me, I bet you myself, and I say, I'm more on the beer. If it's a match,
Asempa FM.
Nina, cause you my try, my pepper, Nina, cause you Nippon, yeah. I'm funny to my memory, not from so the other him. So you hear what I mean, yeah, I'm my pie. But friend of him, I'm on the sofa, me all the so you hear what I mean, yeah, I'm pie. I'm friend of him, I'm on the sofa, me all the I miss you, Make
Asempa FM.
Mr. King's on it.
All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. Kwesi P. Wofia. Kwesi P at the same. Nah, Bibiada cool.
The Don.
Yes, Kwesi P himself.
How's it?
Charlie, cool thing. Charlie, how many years have you been in the industry?
It's nearly 2 decades now.
20 years.
20 years. Yeah.
Wow, watch a pa. Nice one. So I expected to see you within the artist of the decade. Within Amberman, we are disappointed. Kakra na.
Oh,
VGMAs,
that be. Oh, is it?
And you feel you didn't work to deserve that particular accolade?
I would say, you were, first of all, you were crew, I think, say, yeah, most of the time, you know, no chronic can hear it in Kakra. And then, secondly, yes, our industrial, your friend, Chini Beka say, Kokofu football. What do I say? Kokofu football means. My name is Otiasia.
Who the Chama said, you sure say a man for baby or how
don't feel no go and now.
Baby, if you are Nako, a ben no go mum, a ben hopper.
I wouldn't say okay, but me china about loud.
Oh, okay.
To say, winner.
All right, yes, was a technicians in Barbers.
Yeah, and Kokofu football means I say the industry, you know, deals with people, you know. We know. I said, you know, we are media auntie. Oh, Don, you are media auntie. You know this one.
Okay.
You're from Don Shehoana. You're from Madon.
So it's not about modern bo.
No.
It's about who are winning. No.
Yes.
Friendship are winning.
Yes, war. And I say why you be mommy. So I want to compensate you with something because me can't be see when. Let me take you back a little bit. I now me can't. You know, people say I trim na chair, so I shouldn't talk about. But at the end of the day. No crania back up. So I'm saying this because me who be paying. You know, like when I got a friend say best male vocal performance Chatter House back in 2000. No? It was something, you know, I did for them. And that time
Pacho, let's get back into that issue. What's the time I won ya best male award. Vocalist? Yeah. No, we be my.
That's right.
And Sana,
yes,
unya sa award.
That's right. Yeah, and you know, say that time, you know, when I said it, you know, they were like, oh, and you know, cry, and say, you kind of say a vote in this area, and trust me, say not a voter. I was in 3 categories. I wasn't gonna be winning it. What did I say? But. And no mama who said it wasn't Ghana industry, no, and you modern bo a year like whom you know and how they want to relate to you and things you've done for them and how they want to compensate you and how they want to push you there. If you are not with them, forget it. Now,
time we hear almost favor. Nkomo ben na woni omudi ye. We back to this conclusion. Say,
oh,
I mean, what did they tell you? Say, oh, KCP, perform for us and let's do this. Or Asempa now.
Oh, it was work. It was work. It was work. I mean, like writing song and oh, see, I don't want to go. Because right. We have more things
to talk
about than going back to that time. But I just wanted you to know, say. Industry, sanity. Right. What I say, because they made me feel say I didn't deserve it, but it was because I did something for them. That is why they gave me that award. So I just want to give you an idea as to what is going on in the industry.
All right.
What did I say? Especially when it comes to those awards, that for Chatter House and this annual, because that year in the crowd, I had a phone worth £500. It got missing there.
At the VGMAs?
No, at the office.
What's up with me now? What can that?
Yeah, of course.
How about your phone?
Yes. It was that time was W5 550 Sonny Ericsson.
And are you sure you left it there?
Of course, they know. And then, there was no letter of apology to say, oh, you know what, you were working for us and this happened to you, so we are sorry. And all they say a normal thing. So I just move on and go. So so what?
Wow.
What did I say?
Yeah.
And since then, it makes that pain. I try say a bit fimimu. What did I say? Me try say you can just forgive and forget easily. But you maybe so no matter what, when you feel disrespected, so feel it very disrespected, it take time say a few more.
All right. But I just want to understand something. Phone Nasem, no, did you have any sort of kasa with them, like as in with respect to your phone? Maybe breedy, some ill feelings, somebody will not want to forgive you about?
No.
You didn't complain?
No, I told them. And they said they are doing search. They want to search the staffs, the workers, whatever. But I until once and be.
Wow.
Yeah. So.
Anyway, now let's go to other issues.
Yeah.
On the night, BB interesting. See, I mean, you are a high life person, and internet person maybe I don't know whether it was something planned by the organizers or it was allegedly planned by Kiki Banson or Amachi Dede. We are having so many conflicting, your friend is saying, accounts of what happened about the crowning of Yenwia Kwame Eugene as High Life King. And generally, people were not too happy because there was a perception say enye Amachi Dede nebe crowning obi High Life King. Say you say crown High Life King will need a board of people who are well knowledgeable within that particular field of industry. I'll decide. What is your take on this whole High Life King stuff and the fact that up till now organizers of the VGMA are out here to come and ask us or tell us exactly what happened on the night? What is Asem now?
Mati, but to start with,
yeah,
this whole thing was planned between the organizers and Kiki Banz.
Hey, that means you have information.
I don't, but you see, I'm talking from experience.
Yeah.
What did I say? And to me say organizers in Nimhubi, and that is why they haven't come out to say anything. What did I say? So Nimhubia and Kabana Maba. You cry any more you. We say, I'm the idea no ako stage no so e dey akoko she boy no but there much that I know oye me papa me uncle me bra panyin no me nim say ono one force na onye sade no
one force na onye
no. And I think say baby na at that moment stage na no gina so no na one oye panyin and oye panyin na or drink kwachire no person be good boy na animase. What did I say?
Yeah.
No person be good boy na animase because of the boy na sem. What I say kekoye obi fufura on penasema. The Amachi that I know will walk off stage
without doing it.
Yes.
So you believe the communicator Akusi Abajide to just say like
I can believe that
was
yes, I can believe that
was forced to
yes, unless Amachi me share here because me bon come and I don't want to pick up a phone and call him say oh oga yeah time ni your friend oga ebia nena omu bia nim say omu friend Amachi ba your friend oga ebia me ni share na edan me ni bi share so because bitani ni mini baby me ni share me busa no say oga na same way ko see say obechichi machem because who me say ne ba ana ni nia ketwa. What I say, I know what fast into which much, but a match that I know, no meaning say almost four so no. What I say, and I didn't so I think it took him by surprise. Now, onim some besa. So no nima, like I'm saying, onim crana because of boy nintino, obe consider boy because of penasem, and obe bunania guso waye. But minim say ashino, and nisenka e banesa. Between the organizers and
Kiki Banson.
That's right.
In fact, many Kiki Bansons, somebody close to Kiki Banson, so they come up, and from what the person told me, they were supposed to, if anything, and yeah, idea like no Kiki Banson there, she share now. Amache Krano, any your friend is saying, Kwame Eugene, on 1 year, that similar arrangement was London recently. Thank you. In TBI, BBA, but strangely enough, for a director of a show, you should have the running order,
of course,
and you should know what is supposed to happen
because every show BR I don't know, it's a script.
Yeah, running order.
Yeah,
yes,
so,
director no follow as in the sequence of flow.
What I say, and so me a much side or me like I said.
You're not speculating.
And to me, and
but
with Kwame Eugene, the organizers and who the brain behind the whole idea. So when Kwame Eugene came on stage, no, was a T-shirt that.
Okay.
What did they make?
T-shirt and then out also.
What did I say? The High Life King, High Life, Bibi, High Life King. I said that.
Oh, I didn't take note of that.
Okay, so I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So it means to say,
okay.
So it wasn't anything now.
Now, personally, candid opinion. Do you think he deserves such a title or a crown? Looking at Ejuma Awa year so far within a very short period. I mean, personal, candid opinion. We are not ready to ask him. I mean, what dream? Does he deserve it?
I know there. I wouldn't say or deserve one. I don't deserve it. Me feel say too early. Yeah, me feel say too early.
Why too early?
Because one, we should allow him to grow because he's a good artist, a very good artist. And there's a thing he no money kakra at least half a decade. Then, oh yeah, baby, nobody have any problem about it. But 1 year and I don't know how many albums grow to his credit.
I think he has one or one album has come out. It was launched in Kumasi Mekai.
What did you make say? Because it made me cry. Me see so now my mama award no cry. Now me say my award craft award no cry no. Utibinya hit beam. What I say? And so new maybe it's not like we have to just do it because we want to do it. We just have to take our time, think and know when to do it and how to do it. What did the American say? Oya Young, he's coming. He's a good artist. He enjoy at least consistency. When you hit upon hit about 5 years, and after 5 years, oh, this guy, come on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're good.
So tried and tested.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
What did the American say?
It's premature.
Yes, that is my opinion. What I say, because I don't want at the end of the day somebody's who says your crew when who can be beer about woman, then they take us. Oh, we are jealous. Tiny panintina or casa. It's not about the time. It's about where we want the boy to get to. What I say, because let's not forget, say. Tama, I'm on for a high life, he came in. It's just like a Jaku, a buy a Tama Nigeria for Nigeria movie, a Jaku be rescue Ghana for. Yeah, that is how I take Kwame Eugene to be.
Wow. This coming from you, it's something big.
What I say, and so Mimi Fisa was saying, "Ijana money." Then when Oceana in charge, nobody have be a new comment.
Yes.
But I think it's too early. Okay, I mean, like Fasamba. Now you are man king of high life. Now I'm hit the whole year and then what?
Hey, big question. Sisi edi load that on
one kasa no the pressure on one kasa Kwame Eugene no cry no or the pressure ton so.
Wow. Kwame, I didn't look at it from this angle. For me, it's a very beautiful angle Kwesi P is bringing up.
What I say?
Yes, because
now the pressure ton so. Say he has to work extra hard.
Cry. Enyagro. I like your dimensions, Kwesi P. Well, Asempa Suni 94.7 program near tete and Kwesi P will fear Hanum. Now, Munim Kwesi P say, I know the Okana drink, and that's one of the good things about Kwesi P that I love. Now, Kwesi P, Siciano, I quite say high life, Epeja, and you are one of the, I can say, not torchbearers, like for this generation, we are one of the people that we've seen perform, I mean, on very, very big platforms. Now, on a scale of 5, Ube to me and Mame, your top 5 in that order of people, young acts who are trying their best. Even 3, 5, also, Mami, 3 of people you feel are doing well. And we are young guys, and you've monitored them for a while.
Okay, 1.
In your order of best, like how you rate them?
1, Kiddy. Yeah.
Hey, Kiddy.
Yeah.
I'm using Kiddy. Pacho Koso.
Well,
Pacho Koso.
I don't know what you're talking about, but some, me. So that
is your opinion.
So Kiddy, then Kwame Eugene, then I think Kim Promise.
Wow. Now, Mami reasons. When say judgment, to me my reasons for the judgment. I'm
this is my manager bem. Ashes Bekasa. Ashes.
No.
Why Bekasa metu bombo? No, sir, because when my manager is around that, at least No,
but when your personal opinion, it's
but what No, because I have reasons there, but I don't. No, because you see, once Uber can't reasons, the other one will feel as a watcher at the man cram, what I say now, one ma back here, but the other one now I'm on the I was who said.
But I said to me on social if I say man some encouragement say
I think some they
are good, but from your preference you prefer Kiddy to be number 1, because I've heard some people also say this until I may pair reasons from you. I've heard people also say this, say Kiddy is like growing slow but sure.
That boy Kiddy is deadly. Oh yeah, just say
as in terms of so delivery on skills of writing,
delivery, the clarity, the kind of saying
the stage working way.
Me show that.
Okay.
So that one and
you don't want to go there.
Say be a mashakra a flash me.
Okay.
Me share that now was a me show.
Okay.
What I say I know they mean to me, but I'm talking in terms of Ninyoma Matete. And how he does his composition and stuff like that. I think it's on point.
It's on point. Then Kwame Eugene, we all know, he's doing well.
Oh yeah.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Now Kim Promise, why Kim Promise for 3?
Sir, also Oshene Sapomuzo Bayade.
Yeah. Because I'm not also feeling power.
Yeah, Oshene Sapomuzo Bayade. Trust me.
Wow. Yeah. So if we're supposed to do a collabo with any of these, obviously you're going to start with Kiddy.
Oh yeah. No. Well, so I would say, you see, as a musician, when you're doing a song, you picture who you want to put on.
Oh, okay.
What does it?
That's
right. I might do a song today.
Yeah.
Now I hear myself some day. Kwame Eugene too.
Oh, okay.
What I say, because we have a lot of songs, because this year you see a release album, and it's our songs in I mean how many songs I've been managed to say a big good album so, but our songs in a bit me because you bet it was no a new idea you bit to so enko until say you join sa e bi so yeti ya ni say we ne be suit say o say den to so.
All right.
What I say, it's just that some of the young artists, now they are in a more peak, calling them to do a collab, a very tedious, but then over time, so you can't fault them at the moment.
Now, Kwesi P, issue I'm Baba Bisawi. I'm on for baby. I drink home, and I want your also.
I
also drink home now. My
answer
now. People feel say Chatterhouse how nullify the artist of the year category. No, because there were other people within the category. I'm for two Abama. Our fans to credits edit to Abama. So if you want to nullify the category because of the misbehavior of some people, why should it affect the third person? Why drink home? Have you thought about it?
But I suppose I'll be a question way because I've been on different platforms and nobody has come up with this question. And it's a questioner, I told Makuma Sopa. Me, I've always said, they don't. My makase until say, sa machine almost say the vote. No, I got to know. Oh, they because also, I don't know. Crana make them
almost a academy board and the public. 3 sections. Sana academy.
Academy no money.
As small industry persons are VGM media omo choose omo nkofo am say omo tina academy so and our board no so and the public for 40% into 30-40 on some categories, especially the
look they don't.
Did they cheat Kwame Eugene out of the artist of the year?
You see, that's what I'm saying, sir. They should take omo for voting in Sinchang. Let's yanka say omo decision. Omo chusu or nipa sese omo de man because vote ni bebre o ha I mean award ni bebre o ha na so omo kan voter nka artist bi ni mo ha omo be win award ni nyina. Trust me.
Yeah,
I don't know so what dreams are there no.
But you would have to buy the academy as well, and the members of the academy no and yeah they are unless you do investigation move from amount for and you get to know who are on there.
Me name say your friend manager da ebusa no sa ho asem say oh e can say category we share artist ben and command I don't know or maybe I don't.
Ashes, have you had that experience?
He can speak for himself.
All right.
What I say maybe or no
I'm lost.
All right.
Thank
So,
you very much.
Kwesi P, people are arguing, say, if Shatawale was the artist of the year, Ebia, just for sake of argument, and Stoneboy was the runner-up, 2 of them have been disqualified or, suspended from the scheme. Probably Kwame Eugene might have come up as the artist of the year, and people feel that he should have gotten it. Who shares our opinion now? Or you feel that the cancellation was just okay, forgetting the rest of the people?
It wasn't okay because remember, first of all, Nkofua ase musika and no madaji and no makoto credits and no voting. And like I said, and I was saying, and I was about to say, me this voting thing, you're kind of saying. I don't think so.
Do you think the whole scheme should be overhauled?
Look, whether we like it or not, yes. Done. And it will be private business.
Or you see,
you see young artists, no?
Yeah.
And the media, you people.
Yes.
And not they run in the company.
Yes.
What I say. And unfortunately, some industry players, they go with their sebi or muyefunu. So it's all about Mami Kakra na yeso ya mwa na ye wajuma. That is all that is all matters. And me to me, I was say omo vote omo to abano a omo ko talk credit vote here, they should get their money worth. What is I say? They should get their money worth because me sure say ebia Kwame Eugene and Uncle Fortum and Pa because remember said last year the guy did well, so well. What did they say? Yeah. The guy did so well. Nigeria for parties as Angela.
Yeah.
They're playing there. Which means that so the guy did so well. And they said one pound amount no. Now the come over before fraud. Now make us see. Obakajem so a vote in Tina de ma Kojua na say Kofia. I'll be surprised.
Now,
and that is why I'm saying that media just a vote machine, meti hubi. Na me me hu die come on there until then. It will be very
difficult for you to accept
anything from them. Yeah.
All right.
Because of my experience
with them.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Now, I've heard people say that the scheme should also be banned totally for a while because of the
of course, for 20 years so.
Yes,
for 20 years.
Because of SMSCC on that
and
night.
And then no kwan na SMSCC or Nsembebre so me bi na me de na me catch.
Yes.
And I say because me your friends a big friends me I'm how do you call it? Maybe artists are me was to say and our top artists in we should just ignore it and I say fan because you know because yes don't in some say when you're speaking the truth you go on the internet obi or how bones why comment to be and say nipa no hu ni in person excuse me to say ebia who the nipa de ma or the be but yeah what church will be say oh maybe because you're not in the system you want to create some attention. You're attention seeker. You kind of saying you're not relevant. You want to make Uber's all relevant. You know, you're commenting on that. You don't have a hit song now. Do I have to get a hit song before my commenting what industry anymore?
Debbie.
Exactly.
You're a stakeholder.
Yes.
A senior stakeholder.
And so no, this same industry people and people from outside our ultimate internet one CD bundle. No, they are the same people who tell you so. You kind of saying, we are hater, and you know why are you talking about this? But we have to talk about it because young can want some. They be a name na can know to. They be a we question them. Na you can na industry. So then why the Bible become mine? What did them say? They be a casa government, you know, your person government and support the industry, or they be this or discussion of boy or boy industry. But at the end of the day. And near my and near my cosono. How would government, you know, about boy or the baswa? There are section of people that are far no matanaso.
To say why Musa?
Oh, see, I didn't come a do. What did they can say? And untino and near my war industry no more airtime and I too much. And I think say it's about time we have to clean up. We have to do some kind of, you know,
clean up.
What you say? Because me who are, it worries me, it bother me. Because you see, some of us don't music, you know. I'm a two-year kwemo. Yeah, we are two. Some of us.
Yes.
Until we have music now. Yeah, like you need you know. We put everything in there. Passion. And to me say do baby cry now. We manager back at you. Because I Charlie, I want to cry, Charlie. Forget it because the way more it's like they are frustrating you. How you want the whole thing to go? It's not going that direction. It's not, you know, but when you say it, it's same industry people will bash you, tell you, say, it's like you're talking too much, you're complaining too much. Just let it go. Just, you know, it's a whole lot of stuff.
All right. Asempa 94.7 FM, your Facebook and so live into your Facebook page. He's in a very sober mood today, and I believe say in Samoho. Now, Kwesi P. Nancyana, Shatawale New Stone Boy. My press conference as you see there. My the best of friends. My mom who kiss a press conference. No.
You may kiss your bride.
Now, people have mixed feelings. For you, how did you take this whole brouhaha? Without going into the details of the matter, how did you take it?
May I take it as a business? It's pure business. It's pure
press conference. No.
Oh, it's pure business.
When Papa no who came to put them together, Mr. Aban, Kofi Aban. What in the that?
That be maintaining in that, and me share that na minimum. But I think that when you see people behind it, and Kofi are no more press conference, no people behind it. You clearly know who say it's all about business.
In Kofi Bensa.
Oh, and they're meeting body, but. I mean,
the likes of Anana Banamwa don't know chair press conference no Abeku Santana about out a day before Bema date so clearly no bullets and so somewhere there
Gurusum and without money nobody will waste their time.
Yeah, so you feel that reconciliation is like a commercial reconciliation?
I mean, peace, asunje, we like it.
Yes.
You know, I say, yetina a man asunje because Ghana, since they war me, asunje uma to me age, I made this year, so we love it. Why not? But I think I won't say I feel. I hope say a bay, you know, the and then just the money. What I say, but for now, I feel it's a business. It's just it's all about business. They're doing business. You know, they want to get money because you know, hey, Juma, what I say, Intiminia, Sikeya Bay, man, to be young, but to and Tunchain, and Discano. We are fee whatever comes back is that's how
you feel.
Yeah.
And I've heard so many industry people also share your personal opinion. Some people feel that the fan bases they are not too happy. I don't know what's any information about that.
Maintain information but obviously you know that peace thing was too quick. What did they gonna say? That peace thing was too quick because first of all, Asempa Fm say we court and for them to come like that and say yeah boom a peace concert. Come on, man, come on. I don't know.
Now, some have also said that concert, postponed it to about 2 years. But
because you see, different platforms.
Yeah.
Say done. You see, we were talking about guns, so.
Once
And so this peace concert, first of all, if I'm in the stadium,
open place. Yes.
So open place, These two people are more followers. They are street boys, so. They are street boys. Common, we are more. What do you say? And then they say, "Na hey, biana." You know what's going to happen. So how many security personnel about a bad day medium bakugo? That is one thing we have to know. How many security personnel now idiom bako go how to watch over them, these people. Football namka hooligans home.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Yeah. You know, Obia ne de one more, need you be an idea. I mean, can't share. I see the Obia one, and it will be an idea why yarns and all. It is small, you know,
provocation be an
and in the security offense saying
implications
too much because small place. I'm sure said that day a 2 uncle call her 10 small place. A 2 uncle call that place, was like more than 10 guns.
Now, Oko a lot of shoes were amanone. What is the law with respect to such your friend is saying events? What processes do you go through to prevent some of these unfortunate incidents?
Don.
Yes.
As an artist crana, you go through screening.
Artist.
Yes.
But Ghana there,
it is wrong, and that is why they saw guns there. What did they?
So they were negligent in their
yes.
Way. The organizers
and the Charterhouse, they were concentration was on their money. Sikano na ne hia omo. Enye mo amomo wetena ho ahwe wan no ani wan e be man award no. Award no de omunim de be man dada o. They know it already. You say don na baji we. Mami oti on no baji we. Ashes on no baji we. We baji we. Enti na de omunim dada. What did they say? And this then they know they are not going to review the tune now because they know that this tune no nipa bako And I say baako koma we na baako koma we.
Sana Kwame Safa Kan or say the awards, one belongs to Shatawale, one belongs to Stonebwoy, as in the popular song of the year and the artist of the year.
They know it already.
Yeah.
I want him that. What I say?
So KPMG presenting my
brother, go and sleep. Kojun Sokoda. They know it already. Oh, this thing we keep saying it, but people don't want to take it. But at the end of the day, there'll be somebody like me, I can't read. They know it, my brother. They know it already. Omunim dada. Entinusa KPMG ne something they want you to have idea. Say, I don't say that here, but if you're a smart person, you will know saying yes, and I keep telling you and repeating again. Say, me, I have had that experience already, and so me, that thing can convince me when it comes to one award.
Oh, they two work or VGM da, and any public events da.
No. Me two kura minkuta bida.
Oh, okay. Strange. Artist I want to coin me bre anka. A man for Phyllis, maybe a casa and I will get it. No, maybe I'll be it too. I'm quite surprised.
No, they don't make a coconut to hold the gun.
Okay, so you are not emotionally stable enough to hold a gun.
No.
And you know it.
Yes.
Oh, so I respect you for that.
So
Ashes and Swaka that will manage and Swaka the same thing.
Yeah,
so no coconut. And also two only they are open.
Because so over here before the cocoa and I call say G-man.
Yeah.
Life prison.
Yes.
Senkenya nyamine bemu because God wants to use him to do something. And now former President Kofoso, a man amnesty, right? And he will be there and rotten. What I say. So when you have that kind of way now, you know, there are certain things you don't keep it on you. Because the moment will be better before no one here the asama bro. So
know thyself.
Yeah.
And if everybody was supposed to do that, meaning say would get out of a lot of trouble. So
because I see Stone to be someone like that, and you know, holding a gun, no, it's a bit.
When any your friend is saying personal relationship you know that he can flip off.
No, I'm just saying looking at what happened there. No? Because one, I was shutter at bus stage, you know. The manager was trying to stop them, and besides there was soldier and police, so there was no need for him to pull a gun.
So it was out of anger.
Because I was tata nache.
Now, what do you think about this cripple insult Ayana Shatawale to my Stonebwoy? Personally, as a person, do you think it's ethical for a musician to use?
I think it's something to do with maturity.
It's something to do with maturity.
Yeah.
So what do you do?
Because I mean, yare. Akwenshia. Timi fan sire obi.
Wow. Now Shatawale you wadam for. And other than one fresh Shatawale on any occasion to caution him so Sata ade away no mature
because
people don't do
that. Some
on Bakwisipi over down and you know this thing has been going on for a while. I'm saying
what happened and I said obviously
previous say watata and I was just taking it from there.
Yes, you know, sometimes you know I can tell you say someone you know we talk to me waba me fie jinada shata waba me fie jinada.
Well, that means you have a good rapport.
Oh, I have his number and everything. I was in Canada in the track but why I
don't know.
What I didn't see here. Me refi, but I think said
then you didn't think serious.
The style only I didn't know. I think now I had to change it but I still remember the title. You know, me 2 week. You know, until Obama fee be track, you know. So me know, hey, cool. What I say na Stonebwoy so what I say but me feel say odi will be area na kwenshia wenya e besere ne de it's something to do with maturity what I say say na dwemu do a me sure say
Shatta
obetimi
Wale.
aye bibia but eno nko a dey obere
Yeah,
obeyi afim.
Obeye from.
Yeah.
So Shatta Wale, I think you need to grow up. You need to grow up
Yeah.
beyond some of these things. That is a Kwesi P advice.
Yeah,
in
my
a
advice,
nice
my
way.
advice,
He's
yeah.
telling you in a very nice way. Somebody would have gone ballistic, but then he said, "Well, you're an Adam Fuente. You are taking it easy on him." Now, I've heard say the likes of Kofi B and the Black Rasta have called for a ban of, for instance, dance hall because of the violence they see and say, "I know." What is your take on that one? Do you think we should ban dance hall in Ghana?
I think say well, it's someone's creativity. What I say, even though the me metimi aka say enye kana genre ye ball ha. What I say, I know the senka. You see, when some music ano papa, and this is the time. Some music ano papa. This is the time I was senka omobem.
And as
decide
it is now, musical
and
is
decide
not too
and
strong.
decide, of course, and decide which song, it has to be in the system, and I say on radio, and it's annual man. What I say, because the door, me as a musician, me chim two radios and I'm a team in the bar. Now me busam who say so. Eti music ano, dear benefit burn the womb. What did they say? Because they allow any song and every song to be on radio.
Wow.
What did I say? And so no, your music almost say almost share Ghana music. And it's a more allow new maybe for it to happen. Then busa say fast one what the one anything.
Into about 8 years now by and nobody agro. 8 years.
I'm say I can't say where I break.
And he's handing over. And why don't you want to contest musical leadership?
Because when him, it's the benefit pentina me got now. So me, I feel that they should give it to someone who is business oriented, not on running the music. Now some musicians normally go on there.
No, but the whole idea is that it's supposed to be an association, not any business venture. Of
course. So no, you can't say we been a man on the back pass.
Aye.
Say Sophia, say the man.
Beza.
Antino sa na because antino enkusi.
Oh, okay. Now let me quickly do some messages. Kwesi P, please, as a musician, will Castro come back and when? Because you musicians are not telling us anything about him again. Why? They don't say something if you know where Castro is. Kwesi P, you say why you ding, why you ding, you are not supporting the laws of Castro. Why? Obi bisa nasem and Obi so say I agree. Patrick K Bwako say I agree with Kwesi P. Kiddy has been the best. And that is what he's saying. Say Galaxy also is saying, watching you live inside Donut headquarters in Ashanti region. Samuel Kwame Uredu says, network, oh, please be assured, say network no so my problem. So people are complaining about the network. All right, Asempa Fm 94.7 in Suato. That is it. But I don't know why Ghana is so na bibia everything just goes.
Yeah, I said the panel woman. Yeah,
villages. I just want to. People have said the way we behave sometimes.
Sometimes, most of the time.
Until you would agree with Shatta Wale when he says that Ghana is a village.
I wouldn't say a village, but
attitude, you know.
And you know, and say a village, but attitude near the tikro no, and a man will be ujina chira obeka say you know nipa gumu nyina sabi omo incrase for what I say
it say it's sign
attitude no
yes
suban no me here no the team no enkoye.
All right, Asempa 94.7 FM, and it's now time to invite you into this conversation. Ope say mo join your conversation. No, I'm going to me afraid him. Oh, question be ope say obisa Kwesi P. He's somebody who has been in the industry for a very long time, or to love songs and devoid of unnecessary controversy. You know, and for me, you're a senior man or industry, and all the things he said are worth talking about. So person send you a message at 054382287 05463822287 05463822287. So a message me person will send in here which me I feel free. Your telephone lines near 03022165545 03022165545 and 03022165546 03022165546 and your telephone numbers. No, some more question beyond person Kwesi, feel free to do so. And Kwesi P is right here in the house with the Dawn of Dawns, what Asempa so 94.7 FM, all talk all day. Kwesi P,
my boss.
Do you believe that your friend is saying with able leadership, musicians were Ghana bet to me I have any positive direction?
Of course, BBR.
Because more sometimes Creative Arts Council no year program say not offer more mumma
me will be unfriend with that.
They be sometimes they put it out because sometimes individual invitations be ending kakra, you know.
If they put it out done. Is that I say by the time or maybe at that time I'm going to out no na me ni kromo and now say yeah me name management na yeah nya sa message no what did them gonna say and the bisu ho they just don't want to any like I said my Canada industry no yeah union me na union way and na kokofu what I say entino Charlie oh I meet here cry no meeting your friend Charlie meeting we cry my friend Kwesi P because no they be now or got TV so and radio so or or boy a chirudo mama friend.
Okay. So sometimes because you are candid,
yes, people
don't want to have you. Yeah. All right. We better now joining here 03022165545 03022165546. Some more in Sembian Peso Bisa Kwesi P. Feel free to do so. Hello, good afternoon.
The door.
Yo, my man.
The door.
Oh la la, it's a French word. You're frozen. Who's Frefi?
The papaya. I'm a Catholic of my dad, and I do not have second mayor.
Oh, second mayor himself.
The door.
All right, second mayor. Pacha den sem na wo pese obi Kwesi P. Yeah.
I'm sure, Papa. Now, never Kwesi. Catch and say, machine dressing. No, you're telling catch it. What I say. Join your non for latest one crowd, you muye, I would have me 3 voice and a VIM. Now, over saying the door.
Kwesi P, Kwesi we be so what say?
Me na. Yes, I brought come featuring now my na just way and who internet but me no sisi no.
Nyamisha wati.
Nyamisha so.
Let's industry no say mumu mate. Na nkwala mo ba no. Oh, I am ntomo for my pa na nyomo ye no. Sony,
all right. Asempa 94.7 FM. You can join us. Telephone lines now you're free 03022165545 03022165546. Kwesi P is in the house. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, your phone is oh yes, my boss. Yes, my boss. Yes, my boss. Pacho, your phone is on
your friend Ibrahim, because I said this corner.
All right, Pacho.
This corner for Uncle Freddy.
Oh, nice one. Okay. Now, Kwesi P, wow.
Yeah, what can you me would be a man, but me dana say. Namishan. And do more the babia, Snamin Bono by 18 tickets here. And the car shut me. Hello, opening the door.
Oh, you think, Papa?
The car and the winner, yes, you're my boom.
Ayo, but I'm not for I want
some Reggie or Montokwa, and yes, and I sounds why you play.
Okay, yeah, that's yes, boss. All right, Asempa Fm. Hello, good afternoon. Pacho, your phone saying.
Good afternoon.
Yes, boss. Pacho, your phone saying. What's it?
Oti boy tentama from 11.
Oh, Oti, nice one. Kwesi P how?
Kwesi P, yeah, me from 11. Kewa ho. Na lecture na. Oya controversial. Enye me no. The controversial no ye. Enye say on 10 good music ah. Onya award ntina
they be our Casara and I say, I would with a Kululu. They be so Casa, I would no credit man or crano. Okay, we will show you would be one of their with shut out for stars. No, now what they compensate, into something like a girl do anymore. Oh, when you get very good music, now we win your one and the piano. Would you have that past so not rocket size no.
Okay.
All
right.
I want to a question, Obusa.
Yeah, aye. All right. Over to me into adjoining yang Kwesi be you one, but before the name fan calls kakrana over to me a year no bulk. Right. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, boss. Pacho, your first saying for him.
Because I feel good to Ashaman. Why would you?
Oh, Ashaman to the world. All right, into Kwesi wa.
Oh, I can't tell you, you say, I'm in the past, and I'll tell you Panasam. Or can I do it? If I saw a car in any punch and power. The man of Uncle Swan can finish that. Don't my wife.
All right, so. All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. Hello, good afternoon. All right, would the producer say answer some of the questions and Sana?
Okay, right. I think to make me answer
the second guy.
Second one, no say, no say.
Why is it because we feel it's awarding a Kululu and now when you hit songs because they be our can and send
also I'm say Casano me can be say Ghana no Tembiano Bibi or Hona car the Phyllis Omuphyllis as a when you hit song and Zana wait me have a comment if something is going on in the industry but and this what I say meti me abakokra if Bibi were industry when I say me jazz music and as I say me can't I have to say it. Yes, sir, because your mama award in Tina Mekansa, OTD American say, but Bibia Ekoso. What I say,
all right.
Say, our mama award ne. Our mama award 10. Uti me. Our mama award 10 done. Our mama award 10 and ne. Na say Bibi or now we ya make kwesi.
Kwesi P the stubborn cat or say on a woman award 10 car or Babeka. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Pacho, your friend saying?
Yes, I'm Sly.
Pacho, friend Sly.
All
right, Sly. Kwesi P in the studios.
Yo, I want to look at the other side of things.
Nice one. I like that a lot.
Let me say, that anything good that comes, you always want to channel the bad side of it and put that one outside. Because the reason why I make us say, look at the just ended UEFA Champions League. Also, by the stage in it.
Serious issue.
What do you think the almost and radio soda? Me tell what it. Ghana has a yeah, to buy the two one no. Say me some boy in Shatawala the somebody. Say you can hear more mutual boom. Say then a more mutual boom. At the end of the day, what are we looking for?
Unity.
But since then, I'm making the same way. Open one meeting. We like to think for people and draw conclusions for people as to whether they can or fact or say any fact or we are always telling the bad side of everything in this country. I think COVID can hear to me. Because me who don't say okay, me tell they break it and you say the same thing.
Ashes
don't me I don't have any problem with every opinion I drink and what he thinks. So when we are talking about it, no my say and our listeners know which one want to say this is what me I think. But so better now na say go for it. As if you have some facts you are talking about, you are saying, but make a word our
unfortunately, no, mambo audios be answered. There were certain audios during the press conference. A bar out from Shatawale and Stoneboy that corroborated this. OBC, it doesn't take a widow's might to bring two great artists together. If you talk about widow's might, yes,
exactly.
Yes, Shatawale and Sue went on to say this is business, we are doing business, and so clearly, and my mom for Felicia is because of something in Tinana where PCP is coming from. It was based on statements on Wankasa Omodia Tuja. Now statements we have it on tape, but unfortunately, my mom hits. Just to clear the air on that one.
The ambassador say, "Me problem if you air your view of whatever you think, but we shouldn't forget that there are people outside that you are channeling some kind of information to. You understand? Because the reason why Jamaica San say just on this and the same program I say, and I say I think Kelvin Boy anyway the share issue be."
Yeah.
I think so later on Kelvin Boy can sit up and then. Yes, we have people in this country always channeling bad ideas and like nipa team.
Bullet cracker. Bullet Crabbe can say he hasn't seen a guy beefing a lady before. It's only in this industry, and people were surprised. Say, "Oh wow, who can unity concert? Oh, you are fueling another beef."
Don't. It should be say you. How do you expect the industry to grow? Always we are channeling the bad side, and the DBI you will beat him, and the enemy will beat him. What kind of industry are we building?
All right. Mpacho Odimbium, very interesting. Hello. All right. I don't know. Can you ever find any more calls, Anna? All right. So, Kosipi, I think your time is awesome.
Right.
And Ansana Obekono, we tell us about your new project. Is underway because once we Maham and Bibri, and we don't get anything about you because I'm out for a channel. People have heard of you in quite a while.
They buy me new song.
Was it?
I mean, my song now, me promoted what having me releasing new beam. Since, the last one.
Which one is that?
But wow.
Oh, my boy. Don't worry, baby. My boy. Definitely. Oh, sorry, I'm a book closing song. It's no problem.
Matty, I think I won about 10 times. No shaking.
And then, when I to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
My bread. And so, you see, we know, meaning say new way no ya promote ya boy since December ebiati ebisuzontie and omo no they feel say still no maybe me releasing new year but still no enyuma me promote.
Anyway, let's just listen to this song he's talking about and get back.
Can you open a DNC do? Can you open a DNC do? Nip away, mommy way. I'm fading from you, and to come on me go. Give me this, give me that, give me more. All the war at my and to come on me go. The way you do, you push me over. Yeah. I can't believe, babe, our love is over. Although you come on me go, come on me go, make me dear, come on me go, come on me go. Don't need your pressure. Don't want your pressure and your drama. Don't need your pressure. Don't want your pressure and your drama. If you love this body, for spend some money, oh. I want them Gucci, Prada, Rolex money, oh. I want Kinteri and the Anissa, in him out. I am an African and I love my body, oh. Baby boy, me come, or do you me come, ah, me come, or do you me come, I fade you, my pie. Can you open a DNC do? Mip away, mommy way. I fade from you, and it's come on me go. Give me this, give me that, give me more. Although I'm my combo, ain't you come on me go? The way you do, I say to push me over. Yeah, I can't.
Exclusively,
Bogus
ZackNation.net.
All right, so you just heard Kwesi P's, latest track featuring Yaya, and that's what it's promoting. So Kwesi P, DNS pipeline.
Yeah, well, this year where you be releasing my 7th album.
7th album. Yeah.
But I said this year.
What are we expecting?
And then I have a lot of songs. So we know this song. My brain know made it. Now I want Ghanaians to know, so I can do all type of genres.
Okay.
I think this one is Afro beat.
Yeah.
But I mean, my friend Afro high life still. What I say, but I think I maybe back out with the Kwesi P people know. What I say, fused with the modern, upbeat, and they should expect more. And I have a lot of collaborations also to do, and it's just that the young ones no more my tough time, but still
you're gonna do it.
Yeah, and
what do you think accounts for the tough time?
I'll say.
What do you think accounts for the?
I saw almost say old school, and
but our perception is not out there. The Western world, there's nothing like old school.
Just a couple of days ago, I was telling somebody, say, when you go to the United States now, Lionel Richie and I say any of the old musicians be a concert, you see the place packed.
It's a big deal.
What I say is Michael Jackson before the last concert I know Reza and sound of the film movie. People bought tickets.
Yeah, I remember.
And the ticket was sold out. Even when after Nini won Ukraine saying conform for ticket in Imran, they said no, we want to keep it. Because somebody said glass.
As a memo. Yes, you remember him.
But let's say a friend say AB Kens on Kwan Kobo National Theatre. That is how we are.
Yeah.
That is how we are.
And we need to stop this.
Exactly.
And it's about attitude.
Ghana, Omano they retire. And I have one question I keep asking and nobody is able to answer me. When you're doing something at a young age, when we do age be old.
Yeah.
Tenase, football, music. But my question is Don. Maybe I want to me answer me this question.
Yeah.
I didn't think you found afford to be president.
Because of the experience that they have.
Experience?
Yes, and wisdom, presumed wisdom in affairs of issues. Internet from 40 upwards. In fact, Constitution says from 40 upwards. Yes.
And now be president.
As standing president. Sana Constitution.
And 40.
Yes.
And who the 70 crowd to me?
As standing. Yes, still.
I see.
So,
and
in that sense, it's accepted.
No, in that sense, if you say, who are 70 and above, who now won't answer
that is supposed to be so, but sometimes
exactly, because yes, we just say
yes.
Penino, any idea cry, then baby or Henry. Now, I'm Corano or India, I know New Yansa. I don't have a you see, so we have a problem.
Yes,
we have a problem.
Ghanaians,
we have a problem as Africans and blacks.
Yes. In fact, I would agree with you. Yeah. Let's stop retiring people. I mean, it's their profession. They determine when they will retire.
Ghana, black star. Oh, where I cry. Oh, and I say, oh no. On time on senior cry, the mouth alone would just retire you.
Now what Lusu, what
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. That is how we are. Instead of them to encourage the Nipans, oh Charlie, what time on Chemu, Charlie, you know, but more thing to say wow Nipano, who Felisa fed my bread. I was saying Jimmy home. Now I do a home no. Oman no keke will retire you straight away. What did they gonna say?
All right, Kwesi P, thank you very much for coming.
Dado.
I'm so very grateful for having you here today. And
thanks for having me. Definitely.
Yes. All right, thank you very much for listening to Tete a Tete, produced by Kejiwa and ably supported by Gifty Antad on social media. My name is the Don of Dons, and Muntie me Hits FM. Normally, me base, yes, me driving also. Yes, and the media program be a friend. You say waiting. I can all the issues I